Na guys.
Chair for you to sit on, Leslie.
Oh, is it done?
Very,
Ayan na yun ang drawing.
then you to sit like that.
And this is the reality. Eh? Okay, you color?
Can you also put some roses?
Roses. There's no roses here, no?
A poker posy.
Oh, we need the ocean.
I want roses.
Three. Wala, ako lang, ani kani ako nigi kuan. Tawa, wala agad. So,
I need to erase that.
eraser. Why you want to erase my drawing?
You color na.
You need the color. Give me the color. And I need...
I got another. Where's blue? Here's blue.
Blue. Oh, the ocean. So,
Under the ocean, under the sea.
under the ocean, under the sea. Here is the color I will put. Under the ocean, under the sea. Ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha.
The whole,
No,
Ho.
because where they can,
Can put the ocean. The ocean is so deep, so I will draw. Is this the ocean like this?
Can we do it on top, under?
Under the ocean.
But then my pens, how can I get my pens?
Yeah, where is the pen?
There.
Okay. Wait. I just put my ocean deep. Under the sea, under the ocean.
imong dagat, alin sa imong dolphin, naglumpat.
Siyempre naglumpat man. Di ba? Is that jumping? Is that jumping the...
I'm going to show you the picture.
Then,
Then we put this one so that, like that, so that this one cannot, see?
No.
then the color of the
I need
ocean.
to shut this